Laravel's Eloquent feature makes it easy and fun to interact with databases. Each table in the database is associated with an Eloquent model. Through these models, we can retrieve, insert, update, and delete the records from the database. Open the terminal and let's create a model using the command php artisan make model, followed by the name of the model. By convention, this name should be similar to the table name, but should start with an uppercase and be singular. So in our case, the model name associated with the students table will be student. If your table name is college students, then your model name will be college student, like so. Alright, so let me remove this and make the student model. This creates your model within the app models directory. This is all you need to be able to interact with your data. Let's look at our students table and refresh. I have inserted some dummy data to be able to fetch them. You can do the same. Let's fetch these using Eloquent. Go back to web.php. Now here, let's use our student model to get all the data from our students table. We can assign it to students and then dump this to see what we get. Once again, I'm going to comment this out and save the file, go to the browser, refresh. Once again, we have a collection here, but this time with an array of student objects, like so. You can iterate through this collection using for each, just like an array. So you can say for each students as student, maybe echo the name of the student, like echo student name, and maybe a line break. Let's look at the output. Right. Now using this model class, let me comment this out or remove this. And using this model class, you can also use the same query builder like this and get the same output. So let me copy all of this and paste it here. Just remove this. So student, select name, email, where not null, everything else will be the same. Now let me dump this. We'll see if we get the same result. Look at the browser, refresh. Yes, we have the exact same result now, but even better with the student objects. Next, let's try and insert some data using Eloquent. Create an object, student equals new student. Student name is, you can give in some name like Jane. Student email, you can give it anything, jane@example.com. And now let's save this using the model and the method save. We will have to comment this out, otherwise this code will not execute. Now let's go to the browser and hit the same route so that this code will execute, refresh, and we will not see anything here, but let's look at the database client to see if our data was inserted. And yes, there we have the new student created. We will do more of this once we start our real project next.